Oh, that's an ant carrying, or?
No, I think it's one of those spider thingies.
I did just say I was going to pull the radiator first, right?
Yep.
Cool, because that's what I'm doing. Because we've already gotten, we're getting there.
Sure.
Clips. We need clips.
2 for 2.
Well, most of these clips have been in this truck more than twice. 3 for
3
3.
for 3.
Well, this truck's been totaled twice.
Damn.
Well, once by my dad. Once before we got it, a tree fell on it. So, the truck doesn't really want to live, but we keep forcing it to.
Honestly, that sounds about right for you guys.
Well, it's a Toyota. It'll be fine. It just got some quirks.
4 for 4.
I'm gonna say it overheated more than he thinks it did. Now it comes out. There we go. Don't crack the radiator tank and you'll be fine. Don't crack the radiator tank. And we did not. Luckily, he just had a lot of this stuff off. Well, the thermostat was off intentionally because he had just replaced it.
Oh.
Whenever he did all that stuff to the rear axle and stuff.
Because wasn't that one of the hoses that popped off?
No, the side popped off.
I thought it was one on both sides.
Oh, it popped off down there too.
Gotcha.
On this truck so much. I thought I was going to start working on my stuff again. Is it that way we just got this area cleared out? I'm trying to cap the transmission lines with the spark plugs so I can not lose any, or lose as little transmission fluid as possible.
That's fine.
It's either that or shove a bolt in the end, but the spark plugs are shot anyway, so I may as well
Utilize them.
because now I ain't gonna lose no fluid.
Yay.
Come on. Got it. Holy shoot. I don't like those bolts. There's a wire down here. It's stuck on.
That's a nice piece.
Hey, you want to grab part of this?
Yeah, 1 sec.
I'm about to my vertical limit as a
Okay.
human.
So this
It's
is
just
going
coming
up.
straight up and out. Easy, don't hurt it though. Ah, well,
Oh.
There's water in it, love. Thank you.
Welcome.
There's little fog. And there's that. Blue's Clues. This is about what that sounded like, wasn't it?
A little bit.
Yeah, I should probably pop the belt off before the fan. That would make more sense, wouldn't it?
Hi.
Hi.
This is fun and tricky at the same time.
It's a skill to be a camera person.
Yeah. I am keeping it decently still though. And then for when you were working right there, I was getting here and then
There you go.
yeah. I think I'm doing good with the zoom tool.
I think this is a pour, isn't it? Well, that one tightens. Is that not the idler? It's not the idler. I'm a dumbass. That's nice and tight. Well, that's an idler. This is the what I needed to be on.
Oops.
There we go. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to push or pull on this, and then I just need you to slide the belt off.
Okay.
I don't know what it's going to go. If I push on it, it's going to go up into it, so I got to pull on it.
Okay.
Is that enough?
Okay.
Never put your finger between the pulley and the belt though.
That's fair.
Because what if I slipped?
That's fair.
Safety first.
Yep.
Oh, she's fine.
You don't want her off?
Well, I'm pulling the fan off anyway. It'll come off easier.
Okay.
After the fact. I mean, not that it's hard anyway, but. Have a fan. Have a big one. But if you put a nut or bolt back, it's hard to forget where it goes, isn't it? Doesn't look that bad.
Just that one crack.
I should have marked it. Oh, there it is. Yeah, that's definitely a crack. Yeah. I'm not losing my mind.
Nope, that is definitely a crack.
Cool.
Big old crack.
You got a lot of nerve, don't you, baby? I only hit the curb cause you made me. You're telling all your friends that I'm crazy, like I'm the only one. Why'd you throw them stones if you had a wild air of your own or two?
Tensioner's got some play in it. And so does his idler, but you can almost hear him. That's what it would sound like running. Okay, sorry, I'm just wiggling shit at this point. I apologize. I'm missing some sockets, so I'm thinking about possibly ordering a socket set from Milwaukee. Pop over here in a second. Now, we can just chill out over here. I guess we're moving on to the other side of the motor. And we're just going to keep on going until we get to where we need to be.
Yay!
This is why people charge you thousands of dollars to do a head gasket.
That's fair.
Why do head gaskets total so many vehicles?
Because it costs more than the vehicle to fix it.
Yeah. You guys, at this point, I should probably disconnect the battery, actually. I should have probably actually did that already. There we go. Now I did what I should have done first.
That was easy.
Yeah. I also disconnected the battery, so
Cool.
things are safer.
That's fair. Appreciate that.
Well, I don't have to worry about hitting the positive cable on something or anything.
Big glass house with a view, I thought you knew. I had some help. It ain't like I can make this kind of mess all by myself. Don't act like
That's the hard way to remove an
Thanks.
alternator. Oh, I made that look easy, didn't I? There we go. Hey, I'm a very good example, because sometimes I like to work with manual tools just because. Oh, that's an ant carrying, or?
No, I think it's one of those spider thingies.
But I mean, like, sometimes I just like to work with manual hand tools. I have a better feel of stuff.
That's fair.
He one of those things that just puts the dead things on his back.
Maybe?
He's weird looking though.
Yeah, I think he's a spider with a dead thing on his back.
Welcome to our flippin' zoo.